Hello everyone, it's Jennifer with Divinethreefold. Welcome, and I hope everyone is doing absolutely wonderful. And in today's video, we are going to be starting a new series. So I hope you watched my last video and hope you enjoyed that. And I announced that we'll start a new series. So the series is going to be going back to the basic classic Pilates mat work exercises. And that way, people that want to really perfect those exercises, you can do so, as well as this will be a great way to incorporate them into a great little move the body session. And that's what we love about Pilates. We'll be using all of our body and getting a great workout. So now, if you are a beginner, I recommend you referring back to my mat work series, the Pilates mat work series. That way you can learn each exercise one by one, and it's a great way to learn the full mat work series before you maybe start doing something like this. But I will also, as always, add in modifications for my beginners. So please, I don't want to completely discourage you from trying. I always will try and do modifications. Now, this particular workout we're going to be performing the rollover. So the rollover is more of an advanced exercise, but we do roll on the spine. We don't roll on the neck, but I do not recommend it for anyone who's having neck or back issues. So can be difficult, and I would not a good idea if you're experiencing that at this time. Now, again, if you're new and you want to check it out, I refer you back again to my mat work series where you can learn the rollover by itself. So if you're totally have never heard of the rollover and you want to see what that's about, please revert to that video you can see it in my Pilates mat work series. And I think it's the third or fourth video in the series. So bear with me because that was one of my first or maybe fourth video, not sure. So that shall be interesting. Okay, so a couple announcements. What do I want to remind everyone of? Also, just have a mat or something soft because we will be rolling on the spine, and that could be definitely very uncomfortable if you're trying to do a hardwood floor or something hard. So a mat, even carpet is okay, just something soft. So with that being said, let's get started. I will meet you on the mat. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna lie down on our mats. I'm leaving my hair down for all you ladies. If you have any sort of ponytail, I don't recommend with this exercise. So this is why I'm just gonna leave my hair free. Yeah, you don't want any sort of rubber band or any sort of something in your hair. Okay, so let's roll back down onto our mats, onto our backs. We're gonna bring our knees into our chest to start. You know what to do. If you're gonna need more of a warm-up, please do so. Let's just start rocking back and forth on our sacrum. Let's start breathing, waking up that breath and the body. Start rolling around on that sacrum if that feels nice, in one direction. Inhale, exhale. Let's go the opposite direction. Taking this moment to bring yourself here, and let's be present in this workout and moving our bodies. Nice, and one more squeeze. Draw your forehead towards your knees for a nice stretch here. Take a breath. Nice job. And then let's go ahead and do some toe taps. So you can have your hands down by your side, palms flat into the mat, and just have your knees up at tabletop. And then we're just going to start to slowly tap the toe one at a time, imprinting that lower back into the mat. keeping that lower back imprinted the whole time. So as you bring your toe down, don't let the lower back peel up off the mat. And then inhale as you come up, exhale, and really slow and controlled. This really gets all those abdominals fired up, especially those transverse, those low abdominals. Inhale, exhale as you toe tap. You can kind of put your hand here like I have as a reminder to keep those abdominals engaged, pulling that navel to spine, and as well keeping that lower back imprinted into the mat. If you're going too far and you feel your back peeling up off the mat, just don't do so much of a lowering. Just make it smaller. This really gets the breath going, the blood pumping, and those abdominals warmed up. A few more. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Bring your knees into your chest. Give a couple more rocks here, side to side. Take one more big breath and exhale out the mouth. Okay, and let's go ahead and hold your shins here and just do a little roll up here to seated. We're going to have our legs out straight in front of us, and let's just take a nice forward fold here, arms up, and then just lean slowly over your legs. Try not to roll the back too much, and just take a breath here. Hello, hamstrings. Take a breath. You want to put your hands down for a moment. Now come back up, straight arms. We're going to start with our roll up, but we're going to begin rolling down. So let's just take it here. We're going to start to draw the navel back towards the spine, slow and controlled. Make sure your shoulders are not shrugged up against your ears. Slow, controlled. Arms all the way back. Take an inhale, and then exhale. Draw your arms all the way down. We're going to prepare for our roll over. So you're going to have your palms pressed into the mat. You're going to utilize pressing into the mat to help assist you in this move. You're going to work on engaging the legs and the glutes. That's going to also help you really engage those abdominals, as well as you're going to imprint your lower back completely into the mat. Very important for this exercise. So we're going to go ahead and inhale. Also keep your neck. Don't put too much tension into your neck also. And let your hips do the work on bringing your legs over. So if you remember, I hope you do. So we're going to press those palms into the mat. We're going to inhale, and we're going to bring those legs up by keeping those abdominals engaged. We're going to roll over just here. You're not going to roll on your neck. Keep those palms pressing into the mat. Open the legs while you're here, and then slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, come down, slow and controlled. The feet come together. Take an inhale and over again. And open, slow, controlled, vertebrae by vertebrae. Legs come together. One more time. Over, open. Feel that nice stretch you get in the upper back, as well as this takes a lot of control for the abdominals. Now bring your feet slow and controlled all the way down to the mat. Nice job. Then arms come all the way up. Inhale. Then we're going to do that roll up again. And exhale as you come all the way up and over. Take a nice stretch here. And back down, slow and controlled. Draw that navel to spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, all the way down, arms overhead. Inhale. Now you're going to exhale, draw your arms back down. Inhale and prepare for the rollover again. And as you start to draw the legs up and over, open, down, slow, controlled, legs together, all the way down. You can bend your knees slightly. If that's too difficult, you don't want your lower back peeling off the mat, straighten the legs and relax. For a moment, take a breath. We're going to do that one more time. Now we're going to arms straight up overhead. Inhale and exhale, drawing back up. Slow and controlled. Take that stretch. Back down. Slow and controlled. Slow. All the way down. Arms overhead. Now bring them back down. And ready. Put those palms, press them into the floor. Pull that navel to spine. Draw up your legs over, open, and slow, controlled, vertebrae by vertebrae. Nice job. Bring them all the way down. You know what? You can bend them if needed. And straight out. We're going to try that one more time. Arms up overhead. And let's come up, slow, controlled for that roll. Up, over your legs. You've got this. You're doing great. And slow and controlled. Back down. Arms overhead. Arms down. Palms in. Navel to spine. Roll over. Open. Slow. Control. Start to bring the legs back together. And release. And stay right here, hold here, hands behind the head, and we're going to go to our double straight legs. So down, inhale up, exhale. Keeping that navel to spine, that lower back imprinted. Don't pull on the neck, just rest your hands behind your head. And a few more here. 9, 8, 7, 5. You've got this. Keep your torso lifted as much as you can. 2, one more. And now I want you to go straight into the crisscross. 2, yes, you've got this. Keep those hands, those elbows high. Navel to spine. Inhale, exhale. And draw. Imagine touching that elbow almost to the knee or to the knee if you can. Slow and controlled. This is going to give us that nice shape. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your knees into your chest. Your hands back behind your head. I know. We're going to go again. And double leg stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep those abdominals pulled in. 5. You've got this. 6, 7, 8, 9. My abs are burning. 10. And one more set of the single cross, crisscross. You've got this. Almost there. 3, 4, 5, 6. Elbows high. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. Woo. Knees into the chest. Oh my goodness. my abdominals are burning. Woo, take a breath. Close your eyes here, just to take a moment to feel that energy you've created in your body. I feel it all over. And just take a moment to feel that. Ah, that was so good. I'm so proud of you. That was really a tough one. So let's go ahead and do a couple roll backs, rolling like a ball, sorry. So kind of just come up here first, balance here, have your hands in front of your shins, and just kind of start to C-curve back and roll back on that spine. Let's massage that spine. As you come up, try and balance here so your toes don't touch is the goal, and keep your hands over your shins and roll. Trying to keep as tucked as possible is also the goal. Inhale and then exhale as you roll back and up. Try and stay as close as you can. One more. And up. Excellent job. So good. That was, I could really feel those lower abdominals. I hope you felt that. This is an excellent core workout, but we have also involved our whole entire body. This was short and quick. Anyone can find the time to move their body. That's why I provided these workouts, and I hope you have enjoyed this beginning to our new series, and I can't wait to see you next. Have a wonderful day.